bad news. The cable broke on the winchcat. It got wrapped around in here on the spool. Yeah, that's really bad. Especially since I'm up here by myself tonight and I got all this cable paid out. So I guess what I'll have to do is walk up here a ways and disconnect it, and then just drag it back and wrap it around the blade. It's actually happened before on me a long time ago, and that's what I did. So I guess we'll do it again tonight, see what happens. I made it up there, up to the hook. It's right, I think you can see it. That was kind of dumb though. I walked all the way up here without releasing the tension on the cable. So now I gotta walk back and drive forward just a little bit. Now there's about 400 feet of cable I need to try to wind up, so I'll see if I can wrap around this blade. That's what I did before. All right, there's a lot of cable there. So let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got 11 wraps. So I think I can fold the wings out just a little bit and tighten that up. I think it should ride there okay. I got a long way to go to the bottom. I'm clear at the top here. See what happens. Okay, let's see if we can. It feels pretty tight. Let's see what it feels like here. Feels pretty good. I mean, it's loose, but okay, well, slow and easy. All right, I'll show you how far up the trail it was. So I'm just getting going here. See my footprint. Luckily it's not terrible weather up here, foggy or snowy or windy, so I guess I kind of lucked out that way. So we've got a lot of snow lately. And you can see right here. seem very far on the cat. It seemed a lot longer walking. Made it. Yeah, everything held together good. So I pulled it in the shop so it can start thawing out. So they can work on it tomorrow. So you can get a little bit better look at this. Oh man. Cable's ruined right there, which means we're gonna lose about 400 feet of cable. That's not good. Yeah, you can see where it's all wrapped in there. Well, I guess we're back to the free cat.